Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, open Settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the System section, then go to the Backup, turn on this feature called Backup to Google Drive, and what you have to do next is to add your Google account. You will of course need the internet connection for this operation. Enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap Next. And next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and for the last thing, tap on Accept here, and your device will be ready to be backupped after this. As you can see, you can backup it now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.